Supplemental oxygen delivery hasn't changed in over 75 years, until now. Introducing the Sovant, a new way to intelligently provide supplemental oxygen by delivering oxygen only during inhalation when the patient needs it. Provides for an intubated-quality end-tidal CO2 waveform. It improves patient comfort, automatically responds to patient respiratory needs, reduces oxygen waste, and can decrease surgical fire risk. When delivering oxygen using a flow meter, end-tidal CO2 readings are often washed out. The constant flow of oxygen dilutes the carbon dioxide exhaled by the patient, resulting in nearly useless end-tidal CO2 readings. The Sovant solves this problem by delivering oxygen only when the patient needs it, during inhalation, and turns off oxygen during exhalation. The resulting EtCO2 waveform looks like that of an intubated patient, even when delivering up to 20 liters per minute of oxygen through a cannula or mask. The constant flow of oxygen from a flow meter, especially over 2 liters per minute, can dry nasal passages and is often uncomfortable. Because the Sovant stops oxygen flow during exhalation, the drying of nasal passages is reduced and patient comfort is improved, even at higher oxygen flows. Another breathing cue provided by the Sovant is an innovative respiratory waveform that indicates nasal pressure during inhalation and exhalation. The Sovant provides new information about the depth and rate of a patient's breathing and oxygen inhalation that has not been available before. The Sovant produces new visual aids and sounds that provide instant feedback to help ensure your patient is receiving oxygen. These sounds tell you when your patient is breathing, when the patient is obstructed and not breathing, or when they take a large breath during unstable breathing. The Sovant delivers a large amount of oxygen in response.
Now take a deep breath.
Another problem when using a flow meter is only a fraction of the oxygen delivered is inhaled by the patient, resulting in higher costs, negative environmental impact, increased surgical fire risk, and oxygen is often accidentally left on between patients and overnight. The Sovant, by delivering oxygen only when the patient inhales, cuts oxygen by 60%, reducing cost. It decreases surgical fire risk and reduces damaging environmental impact. Available now, the Sovant is the first major innovation in supplemental oxygen in 75 years and will enable you to provide superior supplemental oxygenation to your patients. Contact Dynesthetics today to learn more.